everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you're watching another Toolbox Topic quick tip with my man, Darth Vader. Don't choke me.
All right, installing a rear wheel that is quick release and a disc brake on a mechanic stand. So we got the bike in the stand, that's great. If you remember, we removed the wheel with the chain on the highest sprocket. We're gonna reinstall with the chain back on the highest sprocket. That's where I'm gonna begin. So if I give myself a little slack here on the derailleur, I'm going to place that chain on the highest sprocket where we ended up last time. And then I'm going to look at a few things. I'm going to look at my caliper alignment with the rotor, and I'm also going to look at my axle with the dropouts. Now, you'll see a lot of guys around here, we use our knees for a little bit of support so that we can kind of have a little bit of more hands-free action. So everything's lining up real nice. Again, we're in the stand, so it makes it real easy. I'm going to use my knees, my hands are free. And now I'm going to adjust my tension on my quick release cam till just about halfway up. You notice it's floppy here, and now that's where I get my resistance. That is a great place to start. Go ahead, don't be shy, get that nice and tight. And now what you're gonna wanna do is give the wheel a little bit of spin, make sure everything is lined up, brakes not rubbing, and you're off again.